Hello, namaste, and Sat Shri Akal, guys. Welcome to Bookish MB. My name is Mahima, and for your information, today is my birthday, so you feel free to wish me. Now, without wasting any time, let's get straight to the agenda of today. That is, no 5 books that you can get under 200 rupees that won't hurt your pocket. So the basic purpose behind making this video is not only to recommend you good literature but also something that is economical and will not hurt your pocket at all. But before we move on straight to the topic of today, let me just clear out that I make only bookish content on this channel. So if you like my videos, I would request you to please consider subscribing and please share it with those who will also find it useful. Now, let's get straight to the topic of today and know about the 5 books that you can get under 200 rupees. The very first book that I want to recommend is this, The Very Thought of You. This book is a story of an 8-year-old girl, Anna Sands, who had to evacuate from London along with thousands of children, and she goes to Thomas and Elizabeth Ashton, and then the story unfolds. This book is such an heartwarming read. Let me tell you that this is not a love story. Instead, it is a story of love. So you are definitely going to adore this book a lot like I did. And this will be around 100 rupees on Amazon. But to be honest, I got this book at just rupees 50 from Daryaganj Market, Delhi. So that was a cherry on the cake. Yeah. Moving on to the next book, that is Three Men on a Boat. It is a comic masterpiece and is a story about 3 friends, George, Jay and Harris. And to be honest, they go to a journey along with their dog, and it's a 2 weeks journey. So this book is full of humor and adventure. You are definitely going to like this book. It will be around 110 or 120 rupees from Amazon or Flipkart. It's totally your choice from whichever side you want to buy this book, but this is surely a must read if you're looking for something humorous and adventurous at the same time. So the next book, that is the third recommendation that I have for you guys, is none other than The Roaring Lambs. This is one of my recent purchases that I had, and I really liked the storyline, the message that the author wants to convey. It's a story about a lion, the king of the forest, Kaisar, who along with his helper Shaka hunts the lambs in the forest. He ignores the rules of the jungles. So what happens is the fellows decide to stand up against the evil and speak about it. This is a story of bravery, the fight between the weak and the strong people, not people but the animals. So the author has conveyed very beautifully the messages of bravery, the message of leadership and whatnot. So you are definitely going to like this book a lot. This book will be around 150 rupees on Amazon or Flipkart. The choice is yours, as I said. And I really like the chapters name, like the author has mentioned the names with a lot of thinking, I guess, because I really like this book. You are definitely going to like it, especially the messages that you will get throughout the book, not only at the end or in the beginning, but throughout the book. There are great messages in this book that you are definitely going to like. So please give it a try once. Okay, so moving on to the fourth recommendation, that is none other than The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Yes, you must have heard about or read about this book in your childhood. It is one of the classic novels till date, and to be honest, this is considered to be one of the experiences of the author, that is Mark Twain. This is a story about a boy named Tom, who along with his friends goes through his childhood to adulthood, and he does so many pranks. There is so much learning in this book. I like this book so much that I sometimes read this book whenever I am free or I feel like reading it. So you should definitely give it a try, not only because this is a classic and a good literature part, but overall it's adventurous and it's very nice. You will definitely like this book too. Talking about the price of the book, this will be around 150 rupees, so you can give it a try. It's quite old, so that's why I just taped it for protection. Yeah, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Okay, moving on to the last book, that is Who Will Cry When You Die by Robin Sharma. Yeah, I recommend this book always because this is I consider it as a gem. It has really helped me change some of my habits, so you should definitely give it a try. This book gives you 101 life lessons that will remain with you throughout. Maybe some of the lessons you can ignore, but most of the lessons that you will get in this book, like there are 101 chapters that you will get in this book, and this is truly an amazing read. So please give it a try once. This will be around 100 to 150 rupees on Amazon, but if there is a sale on Amazon, then you can get it below 100 as well. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked my recommendations and you will surely read at least one or two of them, but I would recommend you to read all of them because these novels are really great and it will give you good adventure and a nostalgic effect. So please give it a try and let me know in the comment section below if you have any recommendations for me as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and share it with those who will also like it. Thank you so much once again.